Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Poco M5s. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to password and security and scroll down to privacy and then click on your provider, and here you have SIM lock settings and then you click on change Simpin. Now you need to put in your old Simpin and then put in your new Simpin. You might want to be a bit more creative than I am right now. We need to retype our new pin. You want to be a bit more creative because 4 times 0 or 1 2 3 4 are probably the first things people try when they want to find out your pin. And to change your SIM pin is pretty useful if you have to restart your phone when you're not home and don't know your SIM pin, or if your SIM pin is really complicated and you just want an easier one so you can remember it, or maybe even if your SIM pin got in the wrong hands and you just want to change it so people cannot just get to your phone if it's shut down. So that's how you change your SIM pin. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.